makikiuso tayo. So here's 5 things that I think worth your money or my money, Dubai Edition. Okay, number 1, Noon and Talabat Pro subscription. Noon and Talabat is like Amazon. It's an application where you get to order online ng mga food or groceries or any other items, anything and whatnot. Number 2, Bucor and aroma oil diffuser. Okay, Bucor, because I said this is Dubai edition. Bucor is like incenso, kumbaga. It's a Middle Eastern traditional Middle Eastern incense na ginagamit nila to help na mapabango yung bahay. Actually, it comes with a perfume. Yung wood, na maliit na wood na nilalagay nila doon sa charcoal for Bucor, may oil perfume na siya. So for me, based on my experience, especially for those who cook or fry fish, sometimes yung fishy smells tend to stay inside the house, and even it sticks on the furniture and on the wall. So Bucor actually helps a lot. I have tried many methods, pero Bucor lang yung nakatulong sa bahay, or para sa akin effective na nababawasan yung fishy smell sa bahay. Aroma oil diffuser, kung gusto mong umuwi sa bahay na may amoy parang hotel or spa yung bahay mo, definitely it is worth your money. Number 3 would be air purifier. If you are like me who have allergic rhinitis, may mga maliliit na particles na nasa hangin na hindi natin nakikita, and air purifier really helps a lot. Number 4 for me is to invest for a good, if not high quality type of bed mattress and bed sheets. At the end of the day, after your whole day or your whole week at work, your bed is your best friend. You get a better sleep. It's good for your posture. You really get to relax, including a good quality bed sheets. If you can afford to get a linen, good for you. If not, there are still other alternative. Number 5 for me would be urban cleaning service. Having a cleaning service would really be worth your money, especially kahit na after you clean your house, you feel like it's not enough, it's like it's not good enough, then that's the time you need a help from the professional. That's my 5 things that are worth your money, and definitely there are so many things that's still worth your money, but since 5 things lang, so yun lang yun nasa isip ko. And tell me what's yours.